What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the tutorial series on RecyclerView. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to update an item in the list. So if you swipe to the right, pop-up menu will appear so that you can update the item. So if you append few A's to this item and click on update, as you can see, Australia has been updated. So if this is what you're looking for, let's get started right now. Alright guys, so in the previous video I explained how to delete an item by swiping to left. Now we will add the same check to see if the user swiped to right. So ItemTouchHelper, and then we will check for right, and then once the user swiped to right, then we need to open a curly braces here and put our code here. So first we need to create a new object with the type of EditText. So let's do that. So var EditText, and that would equal to EditText. And then for the context will be this, and then main activity. So once you have the object for edit text, now you need to set the text to it. So let's do that. Edit text and then set text. And for the text, we need to retrieve the value of the item that we have swiped to right. So display list and then pass the position to it. So once you have that, we need to create an alert dialog builder. So let's do that. So val builder, and that would be equal to alert dialog and then dot builder. And for the context, we need to add this admin activity just like that. So let's scroll down, and then we need to set title to the builder. So builder dot set title, and the title would be update an item, and then the dialog should have a cancel button. So builder dot set cancelable true, and then we need to pass the edit text that you have up here to the builder. So builder dot set view, and then pass the edit text to it. So now once we have this, we need to add two buttons, one for cancel, one for update. So builder dot set neutral button, and that would be for cancel, and then call dialog interface and set on click listener to it just like that, and then bring this down. And once the user has clicked on cancel button, we need to clear everything in the list. So display list dot clear, and then we need to add whatever items that we have to the display list again. So display list dot add all, and then pass country list to it. And then we need to notify the recycle adapter that a change has happened. So RecyclerView dot adapter, and then check if it's not null, and then notify dataset change, and that's it for the cancel, so that it will update the UI. And for the update button, we need to do the same. So builder dot set positive button, and then the text would be update, and then we need to import the dialog interface, and that would have an on-click listener to it, and bring this down. So once you have that, we need to update the display list because we are updating a value. So set, and then we need to pass the position of the value that exists in the array so that we can update it, and then we will pass the new value, which we will retrieve it from edit text. So edit text dot get text, and then you need to cast it to string. So once you have updated the value in display list array, we need to notify the recycler adapter. So RecyclerView dot adapter, and then check if it's not null, and then notify item changed and pass position variable to it. And last, we need to call builder object and then call show function to it so that it appears. And this is it. To see the result, just run your app. Alright guys, so if you swipe it to right, as you can see, a dialog appear so that we can update the item. So add few A's and then click on update. As you can see, the item has been updated. Alright guys, we have made it. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to build mobile applications, web development, and programming tutorials in general, please consider subscribing and click on the bell notification so that you do not miss on anything. And see you guys in the next video.